Hello everybody, it's unboxing time. True detective. I'm a writer. I need a keyboard. Here's one that I chose. MX Mechanical Mini. This plastic looks different. And over here on this side, this one is more glossy. By Logitech. I also bought another one of these mouses and a desk mat by Logitech. In the lavender color. The reason why I chose this keyboard is Linux compatibility. Now we got them LEDs. Low profile. Here, the desk mat. I love the color. Comes with a receiver and also a USB-C charging cable. The construction of the thing, aluminium and this matte plastic. I've been using a ThinkPad keyboard before this, so it might require a little bit to get used to, but I have used mechanical keyboards. I had like 3 of those, but back in them days they didn't make those low profile ones. Well, they might come from a different factory or something like that, who knows, different materials. This one looks a bit better because it's matte. I also love it that there's no Windows key over here because I use Linux.